Hi, it's Sarah here from Crafting and Stamping, and I just wanted to share one of our new kits. Now, our kits come boxed up like this. They're really handy to have. The box is quite handy to use afterwards. And I just thought I'd show what we've got in here and how to put these quick cards together. So let's just take these out. Let's get that out. So in this particular one, it's the Light the Candles card kit, but most of our card kits are very similar. You will get the things that you need. There are some that are non-stamping, and there's these ones that are stamping kits, and you get everything that you need in the kit. So I'm just going to open this. We've got our stamps and an ink spot before we even get in. And then when we open this up, let's just get in there, we've got a whole bunch of useful bits and pieces, and be careful that you don't miss these. Over on the other side, we've got a set of instructions. Now the instructions are visual instructions, so you'll just be able to see what it is that you're supposed to actually do to put these together. And it's got a handy ruler in both inches and centimetres all down one side. The kits don't go in the catalogue anymore, so that we don't disappoint people by not having them available. You go on the website, and if they're there, they're in stock. So this particular kit has got the supplies for 8 cards and 8 envelopes. And we've got envelopes in 2 different colours and printed linings in there as well. In here we've got, that's got a little bit bashed about, but not to worry because of how these go together. That's not actually going to be a problem. I'll show you in a bit. So we've then got the actual cards, and these are pre-scored, just ready to be folded. So we've got our card bases there. We've got a whole bunch of these strips for being able to pop the layers up, and we've got a couple of different designs. We've got this cake design, cake slice, and what we've got is this piece that goes over the top, and you can tell which way around it goes because we've got that little bit of printing on there. So that's going to go over the top. So that's our cake slice bit, and that's why I said that that little bit that's got a bit damaged in the post isn't going to be a problem, because we're actually going to be popping this up over the top so you won't see that, and we'll be able to stick that down. So you've got everything here that you need to make the actual cards. We're going to have a go at one of those in a short while, but also in this card kit, let me just finish showing you everything that comes in. Move these out of the way so that we can see. We've got various labels and banners that we'll be able to stamp and layer up. We've got these beautiful little gems, and like I say, there is everything that you need, because we've got these tiny little glue dots as well. So these glue dots and these dimensional strips are going to help us put the whole card together. You even get a block. Now, I think these are really handy. They're great to have, but for me, they don't beat the block that you can buy from Stampin' Up separately, because this one's got all curved edges. It's so comfortable in your hand. This is a little bit sharper. They're not sharp enough that you're going to hurt yourself on them, but they're not as comfortable to hold. So let me just move that out of the way. So those are all the different supplies, and now we're going to make the 2 card designs that we've got. We're going to have a go at making those now.